Morning students, welcome to your English class. I'm your English teacher. But before starting your class, just like as always, we'll start our session with a beautiful and a good positive thought. And the thought for the day is: a man is great by deeds, not by birth. The thought is: a man is great by deeds, not by birth. Here, what is the meaning of deed, student? Deeds means work, the work you do. Deeds का यहाँ पे मतलब है कर्म करना, काम करना. Okay. A man is great by deeds. Great means महान. कोई भी इंसान, कोई भी मनुष्य या कोई भी व्यक्ति अपने कर्मों से महान होता है, अपने काम की वजह से वो जाना जाता है. ओके, द वर्क दैट ही और शी डू दैट मेक्स हिम ग्रेट. ओके, नॉट हिज बर्थ और हर बर्थ. इट मीन्स कोई भी व्यक्ति अपने कर्मों से महान बनता है, ना कि अपने जन्म से. ओके, सो विद दिस पॉजिटिव थॉट, let us start our today's class. In today class, I'll deal with informal letter writing. Student, in my previous class, I have explained the format of informal letter. Okay, how to write informal letter, I have explained in my last class. So let's just recapitulate it. In the very beginning of the letter, what we write? First thing we write is the sender's address. Okay, that is called as the heading. In the heading we write the sender's address in 2 or 3 lines, not more than that. After that we have to leave one line, and the second thing that we write is the present date. Always remember, we have to write the present date. Okay, on the date which we are writing the letter. Okay, after that you have to again leave one line, and the third part of the letter is the salutation or the greeting part. Okay, after that you will start the body of the letter. I have told you students that the body of letter consists of 3 paragraphs. First one is introductory part, in which you gives the introduction, like how are you, I am fine over here, hope you will be also fine over there. This is called as the introductory part of the letter. Okay, now second part is the body of the letter. In the second part you write, second part is also called as the main part. Okay, first part is the introductory part, second part is the main part, in which you write the letter, in which you write the reason behind writing your letter. Why are you writing your letter? So that you put in the second part. Okay, that is the main part. And the third part is the concluding part, means the last part of the letter, the last part of the body of the letter, in which you used to write convey my regards to dash and dash, or give my regards more when we meet, like this. Okay, so this is the third part, or you can say the concluding part. ठीक है, जिसमें कि आप लेटर को एंड करते हो. Now the fifth part is subscription. In subscription, what you write? You write your loving, your truly, your affectionately. Okay, like this. And after this, what you write? The last part of the letter is the signature part. And in signature part, what you write? You write your name. Okay, student, earlier I have told you that the body of the letter consists of 3 parts. Okay, that is the introductory part, second part is the main part, and the third part is the concluding part. But as you are small kids, so you can write your letter in 2 paragraphs also. Okay, if you have written it in 3 paragraphs, then it's well and good, and if not, then as you are small kids, so you can write it in 2 paragraphs also. Okay, in last class I've given you this letter to write. राइट अ लेटर टू योर फ्रेंड टेलिंग हिम अबाउट रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेशन। आपको अपने फ्रेंड को एक लेटर लिखना है, उसमें आप क्या बताओगे कि आपने अपना रिपब्लिक डे कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया। ओके, आई हैव गॉट मैनी आंसर्स, many of the students have posted their answers. Most of them were right, but they, some of them having language problem or they are having grammatical error. Okay, many of the errors you people have done. First and the foremost thing that I want to tell you is that students never write I small. Okay, whenever you have to write, wherever you have to write, I always be in capital form. Okay, never write दिस वन आई। ओके, ये वाली आई हम लोग कभी नहीं लिखते हैं, दिस वन आई इज़ रॉन्ग। वेर एवर वी हैव टू राइट वी ऑलवेज राइट दिस वन कैपिटल आई। सेकेंड थिंग यू पीपल डू इज़ दैट you people don't use properly capital letter and small letter. Okay, you put wherever you want. No, it's not right. I have told you several times, many times, that whenever a sentence begins, it always begins with a capital letter. For example, you can see, write a letter to your friend telling him about Republic Day celebration. What is this, student? This is a sentence. ओके, ये क्या है? ये एक सेंटेंस है ना. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड द सेंटेंस बिगिनिंग विथ कैपिटल लेटर, इजंट इट? एज यू कैन सी दैट राइट. Okay, this word is the beginning of the sentence and I have written W capital. So what does it means? It means that any sentence, or you can say every sentence, begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Here you can see, after celebration I have put a full stop. I'll make it dark. Okay, this one is full stop. So it means एनी सेंटेंस, कोई भी सेंटेंस अगर आप लिखते हो तो वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है और वो फुल स्टॉप एंड होता है. सेकेंड थिंग, in between the sentence we never write any letter capital unless and until it has some significance or it has some quality. For example, you can see republic. Republic का R I have written in capital R. Why? Because Republic Day, it has some importance. Okay, that's why I have written R capital. Second thing, if any names come in between any sentence, any name, okay, and students, you all know that name is a proper noun. कोई भी नाम होता है वो proper noun होता है, and every proper noun begins with a capital letter. Okay, so in between any sentence, if any name comes, you will have to write the first letter of that very name in capital letter. Okay, one more example I can show you. See, a man is great by deeds, not by birth. This is also a sentence. ये भी एक sentence है. As you can see that the beginning of the sentence is capital letter. जो sentence की जो beginning है, since it is a single letter, ठीक है, अ मैन, ये एक सिंगल लेटर है, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड विथ कैपिटल लेटर. ओके, एंड आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ सेंटेंस हियर इट इज़ अ फुल स्टॉप. Okay, full, and after full stop again we start with capital letter. We never start after full stop with small letter. So student, don't be confused. Okay, don't be confused. After full stop, whenever any sentence starts, it always starts with a capital letter also. Okay, so now, keeping all this in your mind, let us start our letter. I am writing this letter. You people just note it down in your notebook. Okay, the question was, write a letter to your friend telling him about Republic Day celebration. Means you have to write a letter to your friend and you have to explain that how you celebrated your Republic Day. Okay, in that very letter you have to explain about the celebration and Republic Day. Okay, now I'm going to start. Student, what is the first part? How I have to start the letter? First I'll start with the heading, and the heading is the sender's address. Okay, so first I will start with sender address. Here I'll write my address, that is LIG 24 Hanuman Nagar, Patna. See, what is this? This is the sender's address, this is my address, okay, and I have written it in the left side and at the corner. Okay, ये मैंने लेफ्ट साइड पे लिखा है ना, नॉट इन माई डायरी इट इज़ कॉर्नर बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, but in your copy you will have to write this part here, okay, in this very area, means in the corner and the left side of your copy. Okay children, after this you will have to leave one line. The second part is date. What is the date today? Today is 6th of May 2020. Okay, after this the third part is the salutation part. As you are writing a letter to your friend, so you will write, I am writing my best friend name, for example, dear Shazli. Okay, you will write your friend name, okay, dear Shazli. Now first part is the address, second part is the date, third part is the salutation, number fourth is the body of the letter. Now I am starting the body of the letter. Thanks for your refreshing letter last month. I had, student, you can see I have started the sentence beginning with a capital letter, T is capital, and see after the completion of first sentence I have put full stop, and after that again I have started second sentence, and here also you can see that second sentence always begins with a capital letter. Okay, it also begins with a capital letter. And one more thing that I have explained you it in earlier, that wherever you have to write I will be always capital. Okay, now I had such a fun time going through it. In this letter, I would like to tell you how I celebrated my Republic Day. Now this is the first part, means this is the introductory part. Student, you can see that after the ending of every sentence I have put full stop. Here you can see also, okay, and in between these sentences wherever I comes I have written it in capital form. ठीक है, सेंटेंस के बीच में अगर कहीं भी आई होता है तो हम लोग उसको हमेशा कैपिटल में लिखते हैं, नेवर राइट स्मॉल आई. ओके, मेनी ऑफ यू हैव रिटन स्मॉल आई इन बिटवीन द सेंटेंसेस. ओके, सो दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट मिस्टेक, डोंट रिपीट इट अगेन. आई जहाँ पे भी होगा, जिधर भी आप यूज़ करोगे, इट विल ऑलवेज बी इन कैपिटल. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस पैराग्राफ चेंज. On 26th of January at 7 a.m. I reached my school. We assembled in the playground. A special assembly was held on that very day. A special assembly was held on that very day. The NCC of my school student, here you can see that here also I have started the letter beginning with, I have started the word beginning with the capital letter. Okay, and after completion of the sentence I have put a full stop. So just like this, just in the same way you will have to write in your copy. Okay. On 26th of January at 7 a.m. I reached my school. We assembled in the playground. A special assembly was held on that very day. The NCC of my school gave a guard of honor to the chief guest who came to hoist the flag. He gave us a very inspiring speech. We enjoyed variety of entertainment offered by my schoolmates. Prizes were given to the best performance. Sweets and chocolates were also distributed. After that, we came back to our home, and thus a beautiful day came to an end. Now this is your second paragraph, means the main part. Okay, now concluding part. After that you will have to leave one line, and again you will have to start with the capital letter. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt. More when we meet. Now this is the concluding part. After that, subscription part. In subscription you will write your truly. Here I am writing my name, you will write your name. Okay, now this is the letter. Once again I am going through it. See, the first part is the sender's address. I have written my address, you all will write your address. Second thing is the present date. After that, third thing is the salutation. Here you will have to write your friend, means the name of your friend to whom you are sending the letter. Now from here, the fourth part is the body of the letter. In this letter, the body consists of 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is the introductory paragraph. This is the second paragraph. Okay student, this, see, school gave a, after that you will have to continue this. Okay, this is the part of second paragraph. Okay, now I am reading the letter. Thanks for your refreshing letter last month. I had such a fun time going through it. In this letter I would like to tell you how I celebrated my Republic Day. तुम्हारा जो लास्ट लेटर था उसके लिए मैं तुम्हें थैंक यू कहता हूँ, और वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा फ़न टाइम था उस लेटर को पढ़ना, ठीक है। वो बहुत ही अच्छा वक्त था जब भी मैंने उस लेटर को पढ़ा, मैंने बहुत इन्जॉय किया तुम्हारे लेटर को। इस लेटर में मैं तुम्हें ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने मेरा रिपब्लिक डे कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया। On 26 January at 7 AM I reached my school. See, my school. यहाँ पे सेंटेंस ख़त्म होता है. I have put here full stop. Student, again and again I am saying you have to note it down the same way I have written. Okay. After full stop, here is the beginning of another sentence, and this is the capital letter, okay, W. On 26th Jan at 7 AM I reached my school. We assembled in the playground. A special assembly was held on that very day. 26 जनवरी को 7 बजे मैं अपने स्कूल पहुंचा. फिर हम लोग प्लेग्राउंड में असेंबल किए. असेंबल हुए मीन्स इकट्ठा होना. आप लोग भी 26 जनवरी को स्कूल में जाते हो तो एक जगह असेंबल होते हो ना, और उस दिन क्या होता है, एक स्पेशल असेंबली कंडक्ट होती है. रोज़ वाली असेंबली से वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट होती है ना, isn't it? So a special assembly was held on that very day. The NCC of my school gave a guard of honor to the chief guest who came to hoist the flag. हमारे स्कूल का जो NCC ग्रुप था उसने गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर दिया. उन्होंने एक स्पेशल सैल्यूट किया किसको, चीफ गेस्ट को, जो आए थे उस दिन फ्लैग होस्ट करने के लिए. ही गेव अस अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्पीच. आपके यहाँ पे भी ऐसा होता है ना कि चीफ गेस्ट आते हैं, ओके. सो or he also used to deliver some inspiring speech and you people get very inspired from that very speech, isn't it? So here is, he gave us a very inspiring speech. We enjoyed variety of entertainment offered by my schoolmates. Prizes were given to the best performance. Sweets and chocolates were also distributed. After that we came back to our home and thus a beautiful day came to an end. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt. More when we meet. Your truly, Meenakshi. Okay, here you will have to write your name. Student, you will have to write the same way as I have written. Write it and post it in the group. Any confusion, any query, you can ask, you can call, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you.